Hello students, welcome to the BYJU'S Exam Prep Spotlight, a show where we bring our toppers into the spotlight and listen to their inspirational, motivational journey of their success. And yes, today we have with us a student who comes from a very small town, Mettupalayam, but still had always higher aspirations, higher dreams about his career. With such high aspirations, he appeared in the GATE examination and has finally secured All India Rank 1. Yes, he has aced the GATE 2022 examination in Electronics and Communication Engineering with All India Rank 1 GATE score 1000 out of 1000. Here we have Mr. Ram Balaji with us. So welcome, Ram, to the show.
Thank you, sir.
So I believe you must be very happy. Your family must be full of joy right now listening to this big success of yours.
Yes, sir, definitely. Everyone are happy.
Okay, great. So to begin up this discussion, Ram, let me just know something about yourself, your educational background, anything about you would like to mention about yourself.
Yeah. So I did my schooling here in Mettupalayam, and I got selected in IIT, and recently I got graduated from IIT doing my BTech in engineering physics.
Okay.
And I gave my GATE this year and secured All India Rank 1 in EC paper.
Okay. So as you just mentioned, you have just graduated. So when did you actually start thinking about the GATE examination? When did you make up your mind? Yes, this is going to be your journey, because engineering students, sometimes choose GATE or some other choose different examinations also. So what was your decision point and what made you decide to prepare for GATE?
So by my third year, I was interested to get into electronics related field. Okay. So when I started looking for opportunities, I could not find many opportunities coming from the field of engineering physics. Okay. So I thought giving GATE would be a good idea to do my master's or go for higher studies. And also like it will be kind of making my mark in the field if I get a good score. 100%. So that is when I started to prepare in my third year. And I gave my GATE in my third year and I got 57 out of 100 with limited preparation. Okay. And I secured All India ranking 139 at that point. Okay. So that really inspired me to give GATE the second time as well. Right. And I'm really happy that it turned out to be All India ranking 1.
So I think this should also be an inspiration to the third year students that third year means those who are in second year right now, those who can appear in the GATE in third year. Now third year students are eligible. Ram secured All India rank 139, right? And he felt, and that was with a very small preparation, and he felt definitely it is not sufficient. 57 marks he has got with less preparation. So if he prepared with full dedication, he can come up with the better results, and what could be much better than All India rank 1. So I think this is even a great motivation for the students which are in second year right now, those who may be aspiring to give in the GATE in third year, because usually the students take the third year attempt as very light, as very casual. But if you give your best in third attempt, Ram was even not very serious, but still he got 57 and 139 rank. He retried with his best attempt. He has got the best rank, All India rank 1. But yes, if you really try hard in third year, so there are two important things. You may be first successful within third year, right? As I have mentioned, I got my All India rank 9 within third year. Or if not, you have chance to improve yourself. Even if you get rank like 100, 200 or anything, that will give you the experience, the real feel of GATE examination. And final year, you can come up with your best possible results. So great to know about your journey. So Ram, definitely, okay, it's a big competitive examination. Right? Getting All India rank 1 itself is a big achievement. So when you are preparing for this examination, at the time of preparation, no student can say whether it's going to be rank 1 or rank 10 or rank 20. But yeah, definitely when you are preparing seriously, there will be some hurdles, some challenges that will come in every aspirant's path. So personally, what challenges you face? Did you face any challenges? Were there anything or any subjects that were a little bit disturbing you?
So like when preparing for the in my first attempt in the third year, I did not expect any good mark or something. I just wanted to prepare my best and give my best. So when I got 57 out of 100, it was really inspiring for me to try it in the fourth year as well with my full preparation. So I was aiming for R1 actually when I started my preparation. So it started after my internship in July. So after July only, I started preparing very seriously for GATE 2022.
Okay.
And yeah, so while preparing for GATE, I had to cover some of the syllabus which was left out apart from my coursework covered in BTech. So analog circuits really took a very long time for me to cover. I felt difficulty in that subject.
Okay.
But I'm happy to say that I really did well in that, and I also got placed in an analog design engineer role. So
Right. Okay.
yes.
So with All India Rank 1, it's good to know that, while preparing, you overcome your hurdles. You tried more and more on your difficult areas. And now at the same time, you're also placed in analog devices, right? Analog devices. So what is your future step now? In what, where you are looking yourself, whether you'll be taking a PSU or some MTech admission or going towards analog devices? What's your end goal?
So for now, I'll be going for job as analog design engineer in Texas Instruments actually. And yeah, so GATE is valid for 3 years, and depending on however life takes me, I would like to use the opportunity when and where possible. But initially, it was for me to go for higher studies if I don't get placed, if I don't get sufficient opportunities for myself. So that was the initial focus on attempting GATE.
Right. So that is what in short, I can also say that if a student is technically sound, especially preparing for GATE will make you technically sound. So you may get the best rank in GATE. At the same time, that same preparation helps you getting the good core placement like Ram has got it. So guys, we also keep saying preparing for GATE will make you smart. It will up to you that whether you would like to go for higher education or PSU or even private core companies. Okay, that every individual can have their own choice, but first you have to become eligible for that. Without eligibility, without that much of knowledge, we just keep on thinking your dreams are high, but our preparation and our steps are low, right? So students, if your dreams are high, your preparation and your steps taken should also be definitely matching with those dreams, as Ram had this. So Ram, I would just like to ask one more thing, that how did you come to know about BYJU'S Exam Prep, and what is the best thing you liked about BYJU'S Exam Prep?
So BYJU'S, I got to know through YouTube. I used to watch the YouTube video series, for example, Mahamarathon series. And yeah, it was helpful for me to quickly revise through the concepts and also the questions they were solving. Like it was really very enthusiastic, the way the teachers were solving them.
Yeah, definitely. At the end time, we try to plan. See, keep on planning classes at several points of the year, but especially at the end time, we plan the revision marathon, because in the short time, we know students, like especially most of your studies, I believe, were self-study. Most of you relied on the self-study, preparing through books or online videos. So there are several such students, and they can quickly revise easily through these available long marathons, and that is what we specially designed. My question was ki 3 persons जिनको आप credit दोगे for your success. It could be your parents,
in my life,
anything in your life, any 3 persons. Okay, what will be those 3 names?
Firstly, of course, my parents.
Right.
Like without them, they are bringing up to this mark, I will never be reaching or be where I am right now. Their hard work and their dedication, that it inspires me a lot. Secondly, my friends, I would like to mention a few people's name. Danusha, Nasrat, and Jitendra, and also Sanjit. These are my close friends. And yeah, they really helped me a lot in this preparation journey. And thirdly, my relatives, and also they play a very major role in motivating me. Yes, sir. Yes, and also like again, 3 people, it is very small. Even my professors and others as well play a major role in this.
Definitely, yeah. It's 3 is a very limited number, but yeah, I believe always the people and the surrounding near you will be very much responsible in how successful you can be. Again, they can support you in making your career, and they can also be responsible sometimes for destroying somebody's career, right? Directly or indirectly. So good to see that you had positive surroundings nearby you. So how many tests, if you remember, how many tests you appeared before going to the GATE examination, be it mock test or subject-wise test or topic test? Any rough idea you remember about it?
I don't actually have a count, but roughly I would say like each topic I have appeared for like each there is a subject wise, and in subject each topic I would say like on an average like 5 to 6 tests. I
Okay.
have taken.
For
Yes, sir.
each topic.
Mock test, yeah.
Yeah.
But
So
those mock tests will contain some 5 to 10 questions.
definitely.
Yeah.
So yeah, even whether it is 5 to 10 question,
Yeah.
every quiz gives you a learning, gives you
Yes.
an experience. So I believe in GATE itself, the syllabus is huge, and if we keep on counting the number of topics and multiply by 4 to 5 tests, it's going to be a huge number,
Yeah,
definitely.
yeah.
So this is what is the story of behind most of the toppers. They appear in lots of quizzes and lots of tests. All students, please take it seriously. We keep on telling you. But yes, All India Rank 1 is telling you this time that how important test is. So
practice is really very important.
Exactly. So what is actually the benefit you got from these many tests? Sometimes you may be scoring good. Sometimes you may be scoring bad. How did you learn? How did you analyze the test series? And what GATE aspirant should learn from this test series?
So when I'm scoring good, it will really be motivating for me to try more questions. But also there will come a time when I'm not scoring good, I'm not getting the concepts right.
100%.
That is when there will be a slight lack of motivation. But during that time, I used to again go back to my notes, revise the topics, and again try to get as much as possible from that mistake I have made, and try to learn from that mistake and then not repeat it next time, so that in the next coming questions, I'm able to do it with full confidence. Yes,
Right.
sir.
Okay. So, be it the test series part, as you're mentioning, be it the previous year questions, right?
Yeah.
Be it on the practice or concept part, I would like your message to the fellow GATE aspirants, those who are going to appear in GATE 23 or GATE 24 or any of the upcoming year, right? What should be their preparation strategy? How much they should focus on the test, previous year question, concepts, and everything?
Yes, sir. So initially, I would like to tell them to take at least one previous year question paper and solve it. Try to solve it fully before starting your preparation, so that you can assess yourself where you're standing, how you are able to solve. And then, I would say you to go cover the syllabus, do the mock test simultaneously, try to improve yourself. And then once you're done with everything, then come again and try to attempt the same paper to know how you have improved in the subject. And then you can start attempting other previous question papers, and then you have full length mock tests available. So these everything will at the final time will help you to prepare for the actual GATE exam.
Definitely. Right.
Be
So
it time management or selecting the questions which to attempt, it will be really helpful.
Yeah. So some students are a little bit, hesitating about the test or practice area. Some students will appear in the test series, but not analyze as you are mentioning. And without the analysis, the test series or the practice area is not helpful. They will, solve a sheet of question, or maybe they'll solve some workbook. But once they solve, they will keep it aside. Out of the workbook, there may be some questions they solved. There is some question they did not solve. Okay, so yes, we have to revisit what we study, so that whatever, if in the previous attempt we were able to solve 60% question, let us see next attempt whether it becomes 80, then it has to be 90, and gradually the journey goes on. That is what. So I believe GATE is also all about enjoying your journey of preparation.
Yes.
Right? I personally will share that, when I started, okay, it was a casual preparation, but 1 or 2 months down the line, when I actually went into the serious preparation, I actually started enjoying. None of the day was burdened for me. And I actually, at the end of every night, I'm waiting for the next day. Tomorrow I have this task and I'm readily happy to complete it. So Ram, did you also enjoy your journey, or did you feel it burdened? Did you feel it pressure? Or did you were enjoying? Yes, something good is happening. I don't know what is the result maybe, but I am doing good.
Yeah, so my preparation was mostly focused on practicing a lot rather than mostly on sitting and taking notes, revising on theory. Rather than that, I used to practice a lot. So there used to be a lot of ups and downs. Someday I will be able to solve all the questions. Some other day I'll not even one question will be right. So yeah, even I enjoyed a lot solving those questions. If it is not right, also it used to motivate me to be right in the next time while I solve it. So that kept motivating me. There is also a fun factor to it. So yeah, my journey was also fun-filled. Yes, sir.
Definitely, students. So GATE is always a little long journey. It's not like a few days or 1 or 2 months journey. And you have to adapt to that journey. You have to start enjoying it, right? Results whatever, don't think about your results right now. It will be positive if you start enjoying your journey, right? If you take it as a burden, if you take it as a pressure, half of the efficiency is lost because your mind is much diverted into worrying about things. So let's not worry, let's enjoy this preparation. So thank you, Ram, for joining us for this wonderful discussions. I hope many of the fellow future aspirants will be motivated, highly inspired from your success, and they would be definitely willing to crack the gate with All India Rank 1 in the upcoming year. Thank you, Ram, so much.
Thank you, sir. All the best to the upcoming aspirants for GATE 2023.
Definitely. And all the best, Ram, for your future endeavors. Whatever your dream may be, you come up with the, brightening results in every area of life. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.